National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, South Central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, north central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Reading to Belmont to Northbridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Lynn, Newton, Somerville, Framingham, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, Beverly and Woburn.